The following is a class on the Bhagavad Gita as it is, 7th chapter, text number 9, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on August 15th, 1974, in Vrindavan, India.
So Krishna is describing how he is spread everywhere, in detail. In the beginning, before this verse, he has mentioned in so many ways. So we can see Krishna in every step and every moment. If we practice to see Krishna, it is not difficult. Whenever there is fragrance, just like rose flower, beauty and fragrance, you can immediately remember Krishna. Here is Krishna. Simply we have to practice it. So as soon as you remember Krishna, or you say or utter the word Krishna, immediately Krishna is contacts you. You are in contact with Krishna immediately. And if you remain constantly in contact with Krishna by studying all these details, then where is the lack of Krishna consciousness? And if you remain always in that way, Krishna conscious, then you are the topmost yogi. Yogi namapi sarvesam. Very easy. It is not at all difficult. Simply you have to practice. As soon as there is nice fragrance, nice flower in another place, it is said that the nice flower or any flower that is fructified and that is blooming, that is smiling of Krishna. So you can see Krishna is smiling as soon as you see a flower. So I do not know why they say, can you show me Krishna? Krishna is showing himself in so many ways. They will not tell you. It is not at all difficult to see Krishna every moment, in every step. If we study what Krishna said, this is Munnaganga Prithibhyanj. Everything is there. Now, within the earth, every stalk is there. The flavor of rose flower is there, and the flavor of some other flower is also there. But you cannot take out by your so-called scientific chemical process. You take some lump of earth and extract from it the flavor of rose. It is there. There is a fact, because you sow the seed of a rose flower, it will extract the rose flavor from the earth. That's a fact. Who can deny it? Otherwise, where from the flavor is coming? Krishna also, it is said, Jivanam sarva bhuteshu is the life, seed. Bijam, next verse he will say, Bijam sarva bhutan. Bija, the seed. The seed is so nicely made by Krishna's brain that as soon as you put on the seed within the earth and put some water, it will come out, fructify and gradually grow and extract the flavor, the color, everything. This is a fact, no? Everybody knows. Not only that, a small seed of banyan tree Bijaham Sarvabhutana. There is also Krishna. Otherwise how this wonderful thing can happen? A small seed just like a mustard seed, and it not only one tree but many millions of fruits, and in each fruit many millions of trees. This is Krishna's brain. You cannot do that. The so-called manufacturer, they can manufacture one watch, very complicated, but not that from that watch many watches will come. No, that is not possible. But Krishna is so powerful, omnipotent, that he has manufactured, because he is there. Bijoham Sarvabhutam. Whenever he is there, he can play wonderful things. This is study of Krishna consciousness. What is the difficulty? Bija Punnagandha Pratibhyancha Tejas Chasmi Vibhavas. Now this electric lamp, it is billion, or it has got some heat, temperature. Where from it is coming? It is coming from Krishna. That's a fact. Cause of all causes. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Kala. This is a fact. These are explained here. Everything that is there, Janmadasya Jatam. But we should not, like Mayavadi, we should not make mistake, because the electric bulb or electric light is being caused by Krishna, therefore the electric lamp is Krishna. No, not that. Krishna always separate from the electric lamp. The Mayavadi says that because Krishna is there in the electric lamp, or in the tree, or in the seed, or in the color, or in the flavor, therefore Krishna is finished. There is no more Krishna. Because Krishna has spread himself in so many ways, therefore Krishna is finished. This is material consideration. It's like you take a piece of paper and make it small fragments and throw it, then the original paper is lost. This is material. But Krishna is not like that. Krishna is a person, and from his energies so many varieties of productions are coming out. But still, he is existing. Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishtha. He is Purna. Not that because so many things have been taken from Krishna, Krishna is finished. This is material life. They cannot conceive of the omnipotency. They accept God is omnipotent, but they cannot understand what is that omnipotency. The omnipotency is that so many things are being manifested by the Krishna's energies, but Krishna is not lost. Krishna is there. We haven't got to worship so many things. Pantheism.